welcome back to my channel, Yaksha TV. Today I'm gonna review my kitty dog. Her name is Leo, and she's 2 months baby. Say hi, Leo. What happened, Leo? She's so excited with you guys, and she's a little bit chunky, and she's so fluffy. My father bought this for $3,000, and she's still a 2 months baby, as you all know. Oh, she wants to climb up the bed. Leo, come out, climb up. And she's on the bed, as you know. Okay, let's play with her. Leo, stop. And wait. Hi, Leo. Which spot? Hi, Leo. Hi. Show your face to everyone. Shaky. Leo, how are you? She's feeling a little sleepy. Don't go anywhere, Leo, Miley. She wants to walk around. Leo, come back. Oh, let's see if Leo play with the ball or not. My brother brought the ball, and let's see Leo and play. Hit it. Leo. Hi, Leo. Come back. Shush. Alright. Leo, come. Don't go there. Let's go. Play with the ball. Leo, play with the ball. She is a little cunning. She's the cutest dog ever. She's running outside. Catch her. She's playing with the broom. And of course, you all know, those are the rocks. And Leo, wait, where are you going? Stop, Leo. Don't go near the kitchen. Hi, Leo. Ouch. Ow. Is she biting me? Here.
ఇలా పట్టుకోవాలి ఇలా పట్టుకుంటే ఉంటుంది.
Leo, stop it. Hi, Leo.
Luigi.
Ew, she licked me. So Leo came outside, and she outside because the wind is so much. Ouch. She keep on biting me. Yum. At the last video, I kept the dog, and this time I bite a real dog. Ouch. Stop it. She's biting me. Yum. Stop. Hi, Leo. Leo, say hi. Hi. Hi everyone, I'm Leo. Tell hi to everyone, Leo. Tell hi. 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 Daddy, can we sit on the floor? Leo. Leo. Oh my God. She wants you. Hi. Hey. This is a family video. Everyone can see. And I got her tail.
Wait, let me see your eyes. How do your eyes look? Oh my God, they're big and fat.
Leo.
Sit
Leo,
down.
poopy.
Sit down.
Leo.
Sit.
Leo is walking around. She's a Barrett, move! And let's see who's gonna tag first. Whom she's gonna tag? You tag. You go first. Leo.
Can you hold her for a second? Can you hold it for a second? Can you hold it for a second?
This is a family video with my sisters and brothers.
Keep.
Hey Leo, what's up? Leo, look at me. Look at me. Oh. She wants to go for a walk again. Wait, stop. Leo.
She go pee. She got pee. She got poop. She got pee.
Wait. Where are you running? Wait. Where are you going? Leo, stop, Leo.
Hi, Didi.
Leo. Where are you going? Stop.
Hi.
You're making me go circles. Okay, stop.
I'm never doing that ever again.
Leo, stop there. I said stop. Or else. Wait. Where are you going? You're rushing. You're rushing like a race car. No, this is clay. You should not eat it.
Is this clay?
Of course, that is clay.
Don't ఏది పెట్టద్దు దానికి.
పెట్టట్లేదు clay. Just throw it.
Don't eat the clay. Stretch.
Leo, you're my booby doogie.
Well, you have 2 bombs the whole time?
Yep, I'm having bombs. Wait, Leo! She's going underneath bed. Wait, she's running again, guys.
అది భరత్ వైపే తిరుగుతుంది.
Stop, Leo! Stop!
పట్టుకోవద్దు.
Slow down, Leo! We're searching. Leo, stop! Leo, she's going circles. I said stop. Okay. She's running again. Leo, wait. Leo, I said stop. Be there.
Hey, Leo.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
దానికి భరత్ అంటే ఇష్టమైనట్టుంది.
Birds don't come in the mud. Wait, Leo. Look at the audience and say hi again. Say hi. Wait, you're eating the mud. No, Leo, this is not good for you. Let's take her. You can't eat the mud. Follow me, Leo. Okay. Leo, what happened? Shush.
Sleeping. Sleep.
Leo, not there again.
No mud.
Not mad. Okay, Leo? Is it okay? Say okay to audience.
Okay. Let's go. No mud. Okay?
No mud, I said. Stop.
Wee.
Maybe she don't want to play anymore. Not the mud. I said no mud. I said no mud. Leo.
She tried to go out. No mud. I get it. No mud. Wow. You're treating her like a bad baby. Say that.
Okay, Leo, say bye.
Leo. Hi.
She's trying to eat more mud.
Come.
Daddy, she's trying to eat mud.
Oh,
Hi.
okay, guys, if you like this video, please share and subscribe to Yaksha TV. Bye. Say bye, Leo.
My hand.
Bye.